Today is the deadline for objections against Tesla Giga Berlin. Let's find out what this means for the people, Tesla, and its European Gigafactory. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications so you may be able to be updated when I report the next news story about Tesla, the Gigafactory 4, and cars in general. The time limit for objections against the factory of the electric car maker Tesla in Grünheide near Berlin expires today. If you have any objections against the Tesla Giga Berlin, the deadline expires today, March 5th. Until now, citizens, nature conservation associations, or citizens' initiatives were able to view the documents for Tesla Giga Berlin project and raise criticism of the plans, raise criticism of Tesla's plans. There are still many questions left for us, said the managing director of the Brandenburg Conservation Association, Christiane Schröder, to dpa, German news agency. Among other things, it is about water availability. Water availability is something that I've mentioned in one of my earliest reports. There was a concern of water availability. So among other things, it's water availability, compensation procedures for areas used by Tesla. Tesla Factory's environmental impact report has been publicly available since the beginning of the year. It could be viewed in the municipality of Grünheide, the city of Erkner, and the Amt Spreenhagen, as well as in the State Office for the Environment at the location in Frankfurt on Oder. The report was also published on the internet. By Thursday, March 5th, around 145 objections had been received on topics such as water, forest, nature conservation, and traffic. And the deadline for objections against Tesla Gigafactory Berlin ends today. Then there will be the public hearing. This is an important thing. Public hearing on these objections on March 18th. March 18th is an important date. The groundbreaking of Giga Berlin is expected later this month after the public hearing of the objections on March 18th. The permits should then be available by this summer. And starting in the middle of the next year, Tesla plans to build 500,000 Model 3 and Model Y electric vehicles, drivetrains, batteries, and future models in Grünheide near Berlin. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this deadline, about the public hearing. Do you think things will go smoothly on March 18, the public hearing? I expect there will be a lot of people and a lot of environmental associations because they have had so many concerns. But, probably they will be all solved and good answers will be provided. And after that, things should be going smoothly. Tesla feels confident and local government feels confident, and I think everything should be moving forward after that, and we probably will see a groundbreaking by the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to enable the notifications. Like this video, and we'll see you tomorrow in our next video reports. Have a blessed day.